I found myself right near the end there. I got so fat, and I started eating birds. Take a look at this. Here we go. Oh, it hurts, but I like it floating around my stomach. But I just gotta tell you, here comes another one. It's coming for you again. It's coming. Yes, Bill. Here you got anything else on there that I could appreciate some more, like, whoa! Oh! Stop hitting me with your fist! Stop! Oh! Give me another bird. Get another bird there. Here we go. Ow. Oh, it was a bad one. Wow! That's how I do it in the ghetto. Oh, wait. Ow. Oh, I got an idea. Maybe. I had another idea. Perhaps it would be a good idea for me to retire from the maybe just one more bird. Hey! Oh, I missed it. Well, a little bit. Hey, good. No, late night. Down past midnight. Oh! Ah,